Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be working on the bumper again. So I went this morning, picked up some metal. We got 3/16 4x8, and we're gonna be working on that. I did get the windows tinted this week, so that turned out pretty good. 35% on the windshield, and then matched the side windows with the rear. So pretty happy with that. I have a lot of parts on the way. So we're waiting on the long arm kit from IRO. Everything's backwards, so it's taking so long. I'd ended up going actually long arms in the rear too, so thanks to that little stimmy. But got Trail Forge. It's been almost a month now waiting for that. I shouldn't have got it powder coated, but I didn't think it would take this long. So waiting on that. We're gonna be doing injectors, plugs, coil packs tomorrow. I also have a new starter. What else? I've got lights on the way, so we got the headlights, got the LED projector lights blacked out, and then I have taillights that match it and a third brake light on the way. But yeah, today we're gonna be working on the bumper. I'm not looking forward to the evap. I've been not wanting to work on this thing because I really don't want to take that apart. I can't find any hoses for it, so someone said on Facebook that I need a 5/8 diameter, outside diameter hose to extend those, and I haven't been able to find that today. So we're gonna be taking that apart first, get the Jeep up on the lift. I got my little buddy with me, and work on the bumper. All right guys, so we got this hunk of junk off of the Jeep, and I think what I'm gonna do is, because I said I don't have these lines today, so these are 5/8 is what I was told. I don't have extra lines to run it to underneath the Jeep. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the bumper. We're gonna be cutting this shorter, and then I'm gonna have some 1 3/4 or 1 3/4 inch. It's gonna be the same as this tire carrier part. Metal coming out. It's gonna be kind of like a subframe. And I'm building everything off of the hitch because, you know, the hitch is rated for 6,500 pounds for towing. So it's gonna be more than enough to hold this stuff. And there's no frame on these things. So instead of, you know, welding it or bolting it to the unibody, which this is bolted to the unibody, but it's proven. So I'm just gonna work off of that, and that's what's been holding that up. But this is the hitch plate right here. I'm gonna have kind of a subframe come out, and then we're gonna put the flat metal up here, maybe a subframe right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and work on that stuff, and then I'm gonna try to tuck all this, take everything apart off this this frame, and tuck all this stuff up there. I truly don't know if it matters if, you know, things are upright or upside down, if it's gonna affect it. If it does, it's not a big deal. I'll just get more lines, but we're gonna try to do that. We're gonna try to stuff it up above the subframe for the bumper. Hey guys, today is Sunday, it's the next day. Worked on the bumper a little bit yesterday, as you saw. We don't have a CNC or anything like that, so the plasma cuts take a little bit longer to line up and to actually do, make sure that they're straight. Did get some progress on it. Looks super ugly right now. That's just how it works, but I built a few other bumpers. I built one for my old 2011 Ram 1500 I'll put up right here. And then I built one also for my friend's Cummins, an old Cummins, and I'll put that up right here. So I've tried the cardboard method before with basically building out a cardboard, and it can work, but with, I don't know, you really need sturdy cardboard to make sure that the corners aren't folding over or anything like that. And I just like to just go ahead and piece it together. So that's how I build them. I build them as I go, and just kind of whatever I want to do, and we'll see what happens. But it's turned out decent in the past. I have pretty good confidence it's going to look pretty good once it's all grinded down and painted, everything like that. So got some work done on that. Got the evap off, didn't throw any codes today or yesterday, so just need to figure out which tubes I need to plug. I did put a zip tie on the vacuum hose just because it was making some noise, but no problems there, so we can figure out that, see if I can just leave that deleted. But today my injectors are here, so we're gonna do injectors, coil packs, and spark plugs, and let's get started. Hey guys, I just want to hop on and say thanks for watching. I did end up getting the injectors back on, the coil packs. I showed a little bit of that, but I had to leave for a little while to go to an engagement video shoot. I came back later that night to finish it all up. Didn't really film too much of it, was just trying to get it done before it was midnight. Got all back together. I am seeing improved mileage, at least from the EVIC or whatever you want to call it. The overhead, computer is saying on the first trip back it said I was averaging 20 miles per gallon. It's like 20.2. Usually it reads about 12.8, I think. I'm going to put the evap back on. I've got some hoses on order, but I'm getting so many parts in and a lot of parts on the way. I finally got a message back from Trail Forge last night, and they said that it should ship out this week, my steering kit, and then I think the IRO kit will probably ship out this week too. So that's coming real soon. We need to finish up the bumper and get the fenders cut. Gonna be working on the bumper as much as we can this weekend, probably cutting the fenders. So look forward to that, and I'm getting ready for this huge trip that we always do, my girlfriend and I. We're going to be taking our friends, the guy that has the Rubicon with the 38s that I did a video on this channel. We're headed out west to Lake Powell. Going to go to Moab and all that kind of stuff. So it's going to be a really fun video, trying to get it built for that. Hoping to do a transfer case, and I'm going to have 35s here as soon as I get the lift on. So it's all coming real quick. We're leaving on June 9th. So once again, look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.